Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you well. Once again, I'm going to welcome to you all in English Wala, which is an initiative to provide you the grammatical knowledge well in English. Dear students, I said to you, I'm not having digital board, but don't worry about this. Whatever I have, I will provide to you in this simple class, which is most relevant and initiative for you. If I will say I have something, I would like to play along with it. So what's it? I have marker. I am playing. My marker is doing the dance. It is walking. I am flying. So what do you mean about them? These are the keywords. They are indicating to something. Are you realizing what is my indication? My indication to specific the parts of a speech under there is a portion is verb. Mostly this is the network. Students in the key terms under they are forgetting the more and more about it. But don't worry. I will definitely assist you in the sense of that to crack and understand the portion of your grammar. Dear students, look at here. I made a small diagram for you, which is easy doing understanding for you all. First things, second things, and third things under. You're looking at the three prospectus: action, second, feelings, and third one is existence. Action, which is done by you. Second things, feelings, which is in your abstract portion. And that last one, that is your existence. These are key points. Three examples I will tell to you according to these three portions. If I will say to you, the lion's roars. If I will say to you, lion roars. Simple present, right? If I will say lions roar. Simple present, absolutely fine. In the sense of the roar, what do you mean? Yeah, what did you realize? I realize is something there is the action. Roar is the action. What do you mean about the roar? Roar is a action done by lion. Second example under. I said to you, I'm feeling sorry. I felt sorry. I said sorry. Why? Because you felt. If you felt, you said sorry. It means that for your feeling, you said to me the sorry. So what do you mean about that? Simple present continuous tense under part of the actions. I will give you few more the term and conditions which helpful for you to understand the rest of the portions. If I will say to you, Ashoka was a great king. Ashoka was a great king. What do you mean about this? This is the meaning of existence. The Ashoka was a great king. What do you mean about it? This is the meaning of the existence. Which was Anna. The past always tell to you about your present plan. A present tell to you about your future plan. Same like these three terms will help you to understand the conceptual diagram of your verb. Clear? I will ask you one more example. I felt my brother's feeling. What do you mean about it? Here is any verb? Of course there is verb. Because I use here. I felt. Felt is a second form of verb. Simple past. And now this is the emotion. Action something. If where is the action, there is a mean I use here term of the verb. Or let me I say these three examples which I mentioned over there. Lion rose, I am feeling sorry, Ashoka was a great king. What do you mean about them? Rose, feelings, and was. These three. What? Rose, feelings, and your was. They are playing the crucial role in the creation of these three sentences. If I will say to you, roads, main function, feelings, main function, was, main function. So we can call them, these are the three, the key alpha verbs. These three, they are called main verbs. I hope you are understanding. Rose, clear about it? What do you mean about the main verbs? In those sentences where subject is depend to perform their action, we can call this is a main verb. Main verb also called finite verb. Main verb is also called lexical verb. Main verb is also called what? Lexical verb. Main verb is also called what? Definite verb. Main verb is also called finite verb. Yeah, these are the terms. Lexical verb and the second thing is finite verb. These are the two forms of the main verb. Next, since you are looking here, the verbs has been categorized into two parts. Number one, main verb. A second one is a helping verb. Main verb, as usual, is normal in the sense of that I told you just before. Rose, helping, and was. But in the sense of the helping verbs, there are the helping verbs also they call the auxiliaries. And auxiliaries also having the two types. Number one, the based on the primary, and second one is based on a model. Okay, these are the network. We have to just prepare according to this mind map. Helping verbs I told you in the sense of auxiliary. Auxiliary is based on the two types. Number one is the primary, a second one is based on model. Primary under the three kinds. Primary under the three kinds. Number one in the form of to be. Number two in the form of to do. Number third in the form of to have. To be under, what are looking here to be under is, am, are, was, were. In the sense of to do under, does, do, and did. To have under, we can say have, we can say has, or we can say had. Three are there. To be in the sense of that is, am, are, was, were. To do under, does, do, did. Third number, to have under, have, has, had. Give these three terms. Now let me I give you the example. You are teaching well. Teaching well. I is here are. He does not like to our game. Okay. Now I have I have called I have called to you. I have called to you. This is a use of are, use of does, use of have. Has we can use with a singular verb. Singular verb. Had we can use singular verb and with the sense of plural verb. Did we can use for past tense. Do we can use for simple present under. Is singular, am with I, are for plural, was for singular, were for the plural. These are the key factors. We can just draw this sketch in a copy so that you can prepare them for the long period of time. Very sensible. Wow, what is nice example. Now I am going to discuss few more the terms of the verb on another slide. You are looking here the work of the main verb. Main verb also having the two parts. Number one is a finite or second one is a non-finite verb. In a sense of the finite verb, change according to the person and number of the tense. What do you mean about it? If you want to understand the meaning of the finite verb, you will understand we have to change according to person, number of the tense. If I will give you example, I read, simple present. It means that it will be also categorized into the two parts, transitive part and intransitive. Students, they are confused. Okay, sir, what do you mean about the transitive? Along with the object, transitive. Without object, intransitive. I like to read novel, transitive. I write. I like to read only. I like to read. What do you mean about this? Intransitive. Why? Because in second sentence there is no object. So in which sentence there is object? Transitive. In which sentence there is no object? Intransitive. In a sense of the non-finite, also having the verbal means and verbal adjectives. ये verbal nouns under, what do you mean about the verbal nouns and verbal adjectives under? Verbal nouns under having the two category. You just can understand the part of them. Finite, I want to go under. Gerund, swimming is a good exercise. In a sense of the finite, you are looking at, I am written here the want only. Why? Because this is the finite verb. Used to? Finite means why? Because there are the two verbs connected by the two. So we can call this a finite. First main verb, second is a finite. Because I added here the second verb along with the two. We can call there is a finite. To go is a finite. Gerund, a verb which is used as a noun, but there is a term, there is a condition. When a verb along with ing form used as a subject in the sentence, we can call there is a gerund. What did I say to you? I did say when a verb in a form of ing used as a subject in the sentence, so we can call there is a gerund. Swimming is a good exercise. This is the verb, but this is the ing form. So we can call, what is this? This is the example of the gerund. Verbal adjectives under two here. Number one, present participle and past participle. They are saying, I liked to play. Liked here, ed, like-ed. Mostly you are, no, this is the main verb. Of course, this is the main verb. But in the sense of that, main verb. But where is the main verb? Here. Verbal adjectives accordingly. This is the main verb. Because I told you, verbal adjectives are the two types. Number one, present participle. Or second one is the past participle. Present participle means what? Present participle means first form of verb. I want to go. Want. Past participle, he wanted to go. Wanted. So where you have to write second and third form, past participle. When you write the first form, present participle. So these are the key terms which I explained about your verb. I hope, dear students, at last you are understood the tree and mind map of verb. If you are understood, the comment in the comment box. I can analyze, otherwise I will bring one more video for the complete revision of this session. Please be continue along with me. Bye bye. Have a nice day.